Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have access and tools, now begin. First, inspect the site structure to find post listings or sitemap. XML so you can map feed items. Once done, choose fields to include: title, link, date, description, GUID. Make a small sample file named feed. XML with an RSS header and one item template to validate structure. This prevents rework later. Make sure timestamps use ISO 8601 or RFC 822. Consistent dates keep aggregators happy and avoid duplicate entries. Now build the extraction and generation logic. You will parse posts either via CMS API, RSS plugins, or HTML scraping. Use selectors to pull title, link, date, and summary. Next, transform those fields into well-formed XML, escaping ampersands and angle brackets, and include a stable GUID per item to prevent duplication. Once the generator script outputs feed XML, schedule it or hook it into publish events so the feed updates automatically. If caching is used, set appropriate headers and expiry to balance freshness and load. Deploy the feed by placing feed XML on the server and adding a rel equals alternate RSS link in your HTML head so readers discover it. Once live, validate the XML and test in several clients to ensure items display correctly. If problems arise, check common issues: malformed XML, wrong pub date format, missing GUID, incorrect content type, or CORS blocking. If updates don't appear, verify the generator runs and that caching or CDNs aren't serving stale copies. Clear caches and revalidate after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.